Hi guys, this is Heini. Today I'm going to show you how to make salmon stir-fry udon noodles. First, you will need 200 grams of smoked salmon. I like the kind with black pepper on top. You can easily find this in your local supermarkets. Now use your hands to flake the salmon into large chunks. You are also welcome to use fresh salmon fillet, but remember to pre-cook the salmon before adding to the noodles. Now set this aside and we will use it later. Next, let's prepare 2 large eggs and whisk well. I always love adding eggs when I make fried rice or stir-fry noodles. It just makes everything richer and more satisfying. Next, we're gonna boil a pot of hot water on high heat. Once the water starts boiling, we can add in 2 packages of udon noodles. I love udon noodles. They are thick and chewy, soaking up all the flavors while still feeling light and healthy. Cook the noodles for about 1 minute until they are loosened up. Do not overcook the noodles as we still need to stir-fry this later. Now let's drain the water. Transfer the noodles to a bowl. Next, adding 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Give it a good mix. Sesame oil helps prevent the noodles from sticking to each other. Next, in a wok, adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Set the heat on high. Now let's pour in the eggs. Let the eggs sit for 20 seconds before scrambling. Then adding the udon noodles. Now give it a really good stir. You want the noodles to soak up the oil and the eggy flavor. Then adding a cup of lettuce and some green onions. Give it a quick stir. Next, adding the salmon. Now it's time to adding the seasonings. You will need 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. The light soy sauce and oyster sauce blend into each other to a rich umami flavor. Combine everything well. Next, adding 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes. A little spicy tang just makes it taste so much better. Finally, adding a bunch of black pepper. The more, the better. Stir everything well. Just look at that. The salmon, the noodles, everything coated perfectly. Garnish with more black pepper on top. Voila! Stir-fry salmon udon noodles is ready to enjoy. The salmon is tender and has this peppery flavor, and udon noodles has this chewy texture, so it's a perfect combination. I hope you can give this recipe a try. If you like me on my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!